Hi, this is Stephanie from my Simplistic Pleasures. Today we are going to be opening the Xbox One's Disney Infinities 3.0 and also a Luke and Leia pack, as you see here. As you see here in the 3.0 pack, you get Anakin Skywalker and Ahsoka Tano. And of course the other one is Luke Skywalker and Leia. First, we're going to open the Disney Infinities 3.0 Star Wars Edition. It's for the Xbox One. It shows that you can get Disney Infinity figures, Power Disc packs, and Toy Box expansion games. Play in their galaxy in the playsets. An epic adventure awaits inside. Create your own universe in the toy box. Put your imagination to play. And this one is the Twilight of the Republic play. It says video game starter pack includes a 3.0 edition software, Disney Infinity base, Anakin Skywalker, and Ahsoka Tano figures, one webco card, and one Twilight of the Republic playset. I've actually been wanting this for a while now, but my husband acted like he didn't really want to get it, and then today he surprised me and bought it for me today. And I'm pretty sure that me and him and the kids are going to have quite lots of fun playing this one. There's the figures, as you see. There's the playset. There's the game 3.0 version. And you can see they're coming out with new Marvel figures, of course the Star Wars figures, and even new Disney figures to look forward to. And there's the base that you set the figures and the other base and the disc on. And it's the same as the other one we had. We didn't have the very first one, but we did get the second one. And it's the base is the same. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is the figures. First, I'll show you Anakin. It's very detailed. I love these figures. Awesome poses. Anakin Skywalker, aka Darth Vader. The bottom base with his lightsaber, looking dashing. Next is Ahsoka Tano, one of my favorite characters actually from the Clone Wars. Looking awesome with her two lightsabers. See the back, there's the front face. There's the play set, Twilight of the Republic. And if you look at it, the back has two lightsabers crossed, which is kind of cool. That's how it looks like. There's the web card that it gives you. And you can use those to play online on whatever device you want to play on, actually. There's a lot of things you can play on. On back it tells you the code so you can play online. Of course, I have this covered for so my husband, if he wants to, he can use them. I don't know if it's the same for everybody or if it's different. I've never thought to think about it, but that's what they look like. I was ecstatic when we got these. Hopefully soon we'll get some more. For the moment though, we got this main set and then we got Luke and Leia because they were the only ones at the store of that kind. Here's Luke and Leia. Luke Skywalker, Leia Organa. It's Rise Against the Empire set. Death Star being the base playset. You'll see when I open it. And there it shows all the characters you can play with. There's Yoda and Darth Maul, Ahsoka, so many more. There's Yoda, Darth Maul, Ahsoka, Obi-Wan, Anakin, Zeb, Kanan, Ezra, Sabine, Luke, Leia, Han, Chewbacca, Chewie, Boba Fett, and Darth Vader. Right there is Luke and Leia. It says Luke Skywalker, legendary rebel pilot and Jedi, uses his lightsaber to fight the Galactic Empire. Princess Leia, rebel princess and noble diplomat, defends the rebels with her blaster. And on there it says, join the legendary Jedi Luke and the rebel leader Leia as they overthrow the evil Galactic Empire. So now we're opening the box. Yay! There's the back view of them. The front view, as you can see in the middle, is the Death Star playset that goes with them. First I'll show you the Death Star playset. Ta-da! So Rise Against the Empire would be the playset. And there's the card that came with. It has Luke and Leia on it. The twins. Hopefully you know by now that they're brother and sister. If not, sorry for the spoilers. There's Leia Organa. Who is married to Han Solo. And they have kids. So awesome. I would really hope that it actually has their kids in this next movie coming up, but I'm not for sure if it's going to or not. But it's still cool. New movie and everything. And I love these sets. So awesome. I'm sorry if I'm using awesome too much. It's just, I'm excited. There's Luke, Skywalker. From behind, he's holding his light sword. Leia's holding her blaster. Got that windswept hair look going on. She's got her buns. Yep. So that's how they both look together. So far I've liked everyone's poses that they've got them in, and it looks pretty good. There's the sets, play sets. You put those on your base and you can play them. Your characters in them. There's the cards that I received. Rise Against the Empire and Twilight of the Republic. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to watch the my other Infinity characters, just keep watching. And I'll show them to you. There's the disc I've received and the bases so far. Sorry, this part's kind of dark. I didn't realize it until after I've finished recording. But yeah, these are all the discs I've got, and I've got 3 bases. There you see, I have the Guardians of the Galaxy, just a few of them. Oops. Got Stitch and Merida. That's what I got. Our first of our version 2.0, those came in it. That's the one we chose. There's Woody. Jesse. And Buzz. There they are, all lined up. Next is Aladdin, Jasmine, Donald, Duck, and Tinkerbell. There's Tink. She looks very cute. And there's even the cutest. Look at him all mad and huffed up. There's Princess Jasmine. And there's Aladdin, giving out the hand that he's known to do for our dear Jasmine. They're my couple set I have. Of course, then again, I have Jesse and Buzz, their couple, quote, quote set. And there's my Avengers. I don't have all of them yet either. And there's Venom with his tongue hanging out and all muscle bound. Ready to fight? Captain America? Thor? Hulk? Black Widow? Romanoff? Thank you for watching, and there is the last one, Iron Man. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe or hit the like button so I know that to make more like this. And have a wonderful day.